Have you ever wanted to copy two ID cards? Well, we'll show you how using the Copy ID button on your printer. So we are going to copy these ID cards. We're going to copy two ID cards, and we're going to show you how. First, open the scanner lid. You'll notice that once you lift up the scanner lid, the copy buttons will light up. Place the ID cards onto the flatbed scan glass. Place it with the back facing down. We'll copy the back of the card first. Press on the Copy ID button. Now, the color and the black copy button will blink. We want to copy in color, so we'll press on this button over here. The first side is scanned. We need to flip the card over to scan the second side. So we will flip over the card. This time we will copy the front of the card. Once the card is flipped, you can see that the color copy button is blinking. And here's your output, side by side.